Okay, a new day. I think the 25th. The project, first thing off this morning is this old big ugly hole. I just about got the thing ready to paint, but this ugly hole, I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. So I'll be buffing around it and see what I got to work with. Okay, I been working on the seat today. I've got all the mounting points made for it and welded on there. Now I'm taking these pink fenders off of this 73 and getting the turn signal thing and the horn and some canister pollution thing. I'm not going to need any of that over there on the 56. All I need is the fenders, and I've got this body getting closer and closer to paint time. I did get the hood all primed. Watch out where I'm going. Got the hood primed. Run out of gray. I had to use some black, but it's primed. Get ready to get some paint on it. Well, a slow day. I put the little USB, it's just sitting in there roughly, but it's got a cigarette lighter plug and a couple of USB charging plugs, so that'll be nice. We're starting to put, what is it, dead grass brown?
Dead grass green.
Dead grass green. That's a marine boat paint, so it ought to work good on a Jeep. Let's cut these old tail lights off. They're not any good. That seems to be it. There. Rusted out junk. All right, today's Monday, paint day. I'm fixing to paint the outside of that tub, and well, everything that I can get to inside and out. Got to paint, let's see, that's the left fender. There's the right fender. The hood over there. There's a little center plate. Oh, and I've got to do the grill over there on that Jeep. It's in the shade right now. All right, here we go. Okay, doing the old paint the fender. Well, she's painted, and if you get a good ways back and walk around it pretty fast, it doesn't look that horrible. I'm going to turn that thing over, and about tomorrow I'm going to put it on there and get that Jeep back together. Hallelujah.